Are you searching for Speechelo Pro voices? Do you want to know how natural they sound? If yes, look no further. Here is a collection of best Speechelo Pro voices for your reference. I really like Andrew's and Sophia's voice in this collection. By the way, I am Andrew. Are you surprised? I bet you did. Now let's check out the different voices. Hey, I'm Andrew, and I'm one of the new elite voiceover talents. I have a nice expressive voice, perfect for explainer videos.
Mi nombre es Alicia, y soy una de las voces femeninas españolas de Speechelo Elite. Mi voz es muy clara y seria, perfecta para vídeos educativos. Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm one of the Canadian voiceover talents from the Speechelo Elite Club. My voice is perfect for tutorial videos or audiobooks.
O meu nome é Bruna, e sou uma das vozes femininas portuguesas da Speechelo Elite. Minha voz é perfeita para vídeos educacionais e de vendas.
O meu nome é Catarina, e sou uma das vozes femininas portuguesas da Speechelo Elite. Minha voz é perfeita para vídeos educacionais e de vendas. I'm Lily, and I'm one of the new UK voiceover artists from the Elite Club. My voice is perfect for training videos and even video commercials. Hola, sóc una de les noves veus Elite Speechelo. La meva veu és perfecta per a podcasts i anuncis de vídeo.
Did you like the voices you just listened to? Didn't they sound almost human-like? You can get access to all these voices and many more from the link in the description below. I will see you in the next video.